So today I'm going to show you how to swap out the battery in your 2021 Toyota GR Supra key fob. So first up, grab your key fob. On the side, you'll see this random button on the side, and what that does is if you push it down, it releases this manual key from this section. So go ahead and push it down with your thumbnail if you can, and pull out this portion of the key. And this is the manual key in case you ever need to enter the vehicle and the electronics are not working. So what you're going to do is, you see the tip of this has a little bezel. What you're going to do is you're going to insert that into this area right there. Basically combine it two. Treat this like a key, like it is, and get it in there as good as you can, and you're going to just twist up or down to pop the portion that has the Toyota symbol out, because that is where the battery is hidden. So pop it, and you heard a little pop, and just pull the back hatch off. So remove this portion, and that reveals the key fob battery. So it is a CR2032 battery. I do not need to replace this, I'm just showing you how to do so. So when you do replace it, try to not touch your finger tips on the bottom portion of the battery, because your oils from your finger can ruin the life of that battery. But let's pretend I had swapped the battery out, put this one in, and you're just going to do the reverse of what you did to get here. So slide this back hatch portion on the key fob. You're going to hear a very audible click sound when you're finished. There you go, you heard the click. And you're going to slide the manual key back in here. So take note that when you slide it in, it's gonna get stuck about here until you push down on this button again, and then it'll freely slide. No push, it hits a wall. So push it down, you're gonna hear another audible click, which you did, and then you are done. There is nothing else you'll have to do, syncing it to the car or anything like that. Key fob's smart enough to remember. You might lose a setting, I'm not sure, but in terms of the key fob being linked to the car, you should be good. But thanks for watching this quick video on how to swap out the battery in your 2021 Toyota GR Supra key fob. Thanks for watching.